Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the 120 FPS Battlegrounds mobile game FPS drop test in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So right now the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet did receive the 120 FPS update, and you can see the real-time FPS meter I'm trying to use right now. So which is like 120 FPS we are getting at this moment. And just recently we got an update guys in the POCO F7 device and in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So both phones they have received this software update. So that's when we got this kind of 120 FPS working right now. And you can see that right now the FPS count it's maintaining like 111, 109, 114. As you can see 116. So after a long time the POCO F7 received like after 1 year of time. 1 year of time this has got the 120 FPS gameplay. So which is really good. And right now the finally the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet also has got like 120 FPS as gameplay, which is also really fantastic in case if you want to have the tablet kind of experience while gaming. This is one of the best tablets you can actually buy. Like gaming while a tablet, this is one of the best one. I would definitely suggest this tab over any other tablet in this kind of budget. Price. So for the lowest price, this is the best one. The tablet released for about like close to 30,000 rupees after the bank offer. So everything. And for that kind of price, only few tablets are available with this kind of powerful, not many. And out of those, this is one of the best tablet. And right now you can see the obvious the FPS is maintaining close to like 90 we are getting right now, 90, 89 it's maintaining, 102. So it's not that much high. It's like slow only 80. I can see the frame drops little bit here and there. Right now, let me try to increase the volume a little bit. Let's see how is the frame reps right now will happen. So it's maintaining like 95, 70. You can see the frame drops, it's kind of happening. It's not that much consistent like the POCO F7 device. 95, 8, 90. Definitely it's not that smooth experience at the POCO F7 or other devices. Let's do the one more FPS drop test and then we'll try to see. This is the second time FPS drop test, and right now the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius, not bad. Backside 35 degrees Celsius maintaining, pretty good overall. And right now the FPS real time it's maintaining like 96, 99. So when comparing with the POCO F7 device, I have seen slightly drop in terms of the FPS count in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So that's something which I have seen between the both, because the POCO F7 was able to maintain the FPS like minimum 110, 110. It used to be above that most of the time. But right now in this phone, like in this, in this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet, it's maintaining 80, 90 as well sometimes. It's dropping very quick. Right now you can see FPS how it's maintaining, not bad. It's still like 90 only. It's not going above 120. As you can see, the frame rate's quite happening in this Xiaomi Pad tablet. So right now the FPS you can see 77, 76 it's maintaining, which is kind of slightly lower. Right now as you can see, I've seen some kind of frame drops like 77 as well, 75, the lowest we have seen. So these are overall statistics about the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet, how it's kind of maintaining. Here, let me play the team deathmatch and let's see how the FPS gonna maintain it in the team deathmatch. We'll try to observe in this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So this is a 8 GB RAM version and yeah, and 128 GB. I think this Gmail doesn't have that kind of account like level 10. But overall, this is a quick FPS drop test review, guys, in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. The 120 FPS, finally it's working, but it's not that consistent in terms of maintaining the frame rates. So which I did observe in this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So in case if you have any other questions or any other doubts on this tablet, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and also do follow my channel regularly for more updates and feedback on this device. I'm going to do the battery training test also, playing the game for a couple of minutes and then testing out. But so far the temperature remains to be kind of pretty cool, not bad. It's not did not increase much. I was expecting like 40 degrees, but it did not increase. Overall, the tablet was able to handle pretty good. But meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Until then.